Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your profile folder in Thunderbird. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your emails, transfer your data to another computer, or troubleshoot issues with your email client. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your Thunderbird application. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the menu icon, which typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Help. This section is designed to provide you with various support resources and information about your Thunderbird installation. Clicking on Help will open up another menu with several choices that can assist you in managing and understanding your email client better. Next, you'll want to click on Troubleshooting Information. This is a particularly valuable feature because it gives you access to technical details about your Thunderbird setup, including configuration data, extensions, and most importantly for our purposes today, your profile folder location. The troubleshooting information page will load, presenting you with a comprehensive overview of your Thunderbird environment. Once you're on the troubleshooting information page, scroll through the details until you find the section labeled Profile Folder. This is the key piece of information we've been working towards. The profile folder is where Thunderbird stores all your personal data, including your emails, contacts, calendar entries, and account settings. Knowing where this folder is located can save you a lot of time when you need to manage your data. Right beside the profile folder label, you'll see a button that says Open Folder. Click on this button, and Thunderbird will immediately launch your system's file explorer, taking you directly to the location where your profile is stored. This folder contains all the essential files that make up your Thunderbird profile, and you now have direct access to it for backup, migration, or troubleshooting purposes. And that's it. You've successfully located your Thunderbird profile folder, giving you the ability to manage your email data with greater control and flexibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.